Hello friends. Today we will be reading Unit 2 of Constitution 2. So in this chapter the topic is legislature and judiciary. And further we will read about parliament, what parliament is. This is mentioned in Article 79 to 122. So first of all we will see what is parliament. Parliament is a platform to do a discussion on issues having social and civic importance in any popular democracy. So यहाँ पे ये बातें की गई है कि what is parliament. So parliament is a platform जहाँ पे we are going to do discussion on issues having social and civic importance, and this is being done in any popular democracy. After the first general election in year 1952, both the houses of parliament came into existence. So as we all know that we have two parliament, one is upper house and the other is lower house. So after the election of 1952, both the houses of parliament came into existence. Article 79 to 122 of Indian Constitution deals with the composition, powers and procedures of the Parliament in India. Article 79, composition of Parliament. Article 79, there shall be a Parliament for the Union which shall consist of the President and two houses, to be known as respectively as the Council of State जिसको हम विधानसभा भी बोलते हैं, and the House of the People जिसको कि हम लोकसभा भी बोलते हैं. And this is the structure of parliament, what parliament consists of. So the Parliament of India, this is further made with the President, Rajya Sabha also known as Council of State, and Lok Sabha also House of the People. The President. To understand the function served by the President, we can say that the post of President is somewhat equivalent to the role or function of the Queen or Crown in the United Kingdom. So यहाँ पे हमारी कंट्री में प्रेसिडेंट का क्या रोल है उसको कंपेयर किया गया है. सो क्वीन एंड क्राउन ऑफ द यूनाइटेड किंगडम जो उनका रोल है. सो दिस इज व्हाट आवर प्रेसिडेंट रोल इज इन आवर कंट्री. Even though the president is a part of the legislature, he does not sit in the parliament. However, a bill passed by the houses cannot be made law without the assent of the president. So we all know that president do not sit in the parliament, but जो भी bill pass होता है parliament में वो बिना president के मर्जी के खिलाफ pass नहीं होता है. Now we will learn about the Rajya Sabha, and also known as upper house. This house is permanent in nature as it can never be dissolved. So यहाँ पे क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं कि ये राज्य सभा जो है ये परमानेंट इन नेचर होता है, इसको कभी भी डिसॉल्व ये नहीं होता है. So we will see how this can be possible. This is because every member elected to the Rajya Sabha served for a term of 6 years, and 1/3 of the members do retire biennially every 2 years, while the other members continue their tenure. It's like an election in different batches. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि 3 पार्ट में जो मेंबर्स हैं राज्यसभा के, सो 1/3 विल रिटायर एवरी ईयर, एंड सो दैट कि वो टेन्योर चलता रहता है. सो 1/3 ऑफ द member will get elected every year and remaining 2/3 will function. So this is the reason why we say that Rajya Sabha never dissolves. According to clause 1 of Article 83 of the Constitution of India, the Council of States, the Rajya Sabha, shall not be the subject of dissolution, but 1/3 of its members shall retire every second year. So यहाँ पे भी as per the Constitution, this is what it is written in the Constitution about Rajya Sabha. Now, this is Article 80 of the Constitution. Article 80 states about composition of the Council of State. Explain the composition of Council of State. So, यहाँ पे we will explain how this Rajya Sabha composition is made of. The Council of State shall consist of 12 members to be nominated by the President in accordance with the provision of clause 3, and not more than 238 representative of the state and of the UT. The allocation of states in the Council of States to be filled by representatives of the states and of the Union territories shall be in accordance with the provisions in that behalf contained in the 4th schedule. The member to be nominated by the President shall consist of persons from literature, science, art and social science. So यहाँ पे 3 पॉइंट है, तीनों पॉइंट में यही एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. तो हाउ व्हाट इज़ द कंपोजिशन. सो यहाँ पे हमने देखा है कि 238 रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होते हैं राज्यसभा में अभी के टाइम में, जिसमें से कुछ तो प्रेसिडेंट सेलेक्ट करते हैं. जो प्रेसिडेंट सेलेक्ट करते हैं दोज मेंबर्स आर नॉमिनेटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट्स एंड वो दे विल बी पर्सन हैविंग from literature, science and social science. Remaining जो allocation of the seats will be done by representatives जो state से MP select होके आते हैं. They will select those remaining member of the Rajya Sabha. So this is what our parliament is made of. So thank you guys.